Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Capcut on your Windows PC device. In this case I'm using a Windows 11 on a HP laptop. So what you want to do is go to Google on whichever internet browser that you're using. In this case I'm using Chrome. Go to Google, type in Capcut. From there you want to go down to the first organic link, www.capcut.com, this one right here. I will put the link where you can download this app in the description of this video as well. So from there, you can see the download button right here. Click that. Capcut hasn't started downloading quite yet, so I'm going to click this. If the download didn't start, click here. And there it's going to actually activate the download in the top right section of Google Chrome. Wait for this to fully download. From there, what you can do is press Show in Finder, and that opens your folders where the download has been stored. And from here, that's the installer. Double click on that. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Press Yes. And from there, Capcut is going to download. This is quite a big file size, so I'm going to come back after this is fully downloaded and we'll talk you through the next steps. Thanks. Okay guys, so Capcut has successfully downloaded on this Windows device. From there it's basically going to ask you a few questions about how you want to use Capcut. You can either just go through these and select randomly or take your time when answering these. From there, when you want to actually sign in, go to this button in the top left. That'll open the sign in where you can type in your username and login, or it will also give you the option to actually sign in with Facebook, Google, TikTok, etc. and start editing videos for yourself. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.